Hey everybody, so it's a gloomy day and I'm trying to stay and not cast a shadow so you guys can get a look at her. We are, see, it doesn't matter where I stand. We're on again as promised because our Go Baby Leave In Spray Conditioner has come from GoBabyDollKits.com and it is the baby powder scent. We have the 8-ounce bottle, you guys, and this is what it looks like. So I have used it already on another baby, but I haven't used it on Ocean yet. So we're going to use it on Ocean and we are going to see what the benefits of this is for your reborn's mohair. So I'm going to take this off, y'all, and don't say nothing about my baby hair. Do not come from my baby. Now, this product is golden, y'all. This is like magic in a bottle. I wouldn't lie to you. The baby powder scent, it is an overpowering smell when you first spray it on the mohair. Once it dries, the smell settles. But at first, when I first smell it, y'all, it was like the wafers, you know, the wafers that we put in the bodies to make the baby smell like baby. That's how strong it is. Now, it doesn't smell like that, but it's that powerful and potent. But once the hair dries, the smell is quite subtle. So don't get alarmed when you smell it at first, because I was at first and I was like, oh yeah, no, I don't know if this is gonna work. You know, I don't know if this is something that I want to continue to use on my babies. Now, I also stated too, and you guys, I always wrap a little towel so that we don't get a bunch of spray or wet up my baby's clothes. But ooh, the sun is coming out. Thank you, sun. So, anyways, like I was stating, there's also different scents. So there's a lavender scent, which is not very strong at all either. That scent is pretty good. And there's also unscented, where there's no scent at all. So, you know, if you don't feel like you're going to like the baby powder, then you're more than welcome to try another scent. Now, I thought I was prepared, y'all, but it's looking like I'm not. I'm missing something. I'm missing my comb. I really didn't want to use this little one. I had a different comb, and I'm pretty sure my oldest child came in my room and took it. I have a caddy for all my doll stuff, their hair products and everything that I put, like the day-to-day things, their baby cologne and stuff like that. But I don't want to show y'all it because it's a mess right now in the organization. But yeah, I believe she did come in here and robbed me of my comb. So I got this little comb. We're going to try to make it do what it do. I'm not an expert with her hair yet. She is a new baby, so I have to learn her pattern or style. So I did put the mohair spray in there, and now what I'm going to do is I'm just running it through there, letting that hair get saturated with the product. If you haven't used this before, I would recommend you spraying it probably on like a brush or a toothbrush, you know, whatever you use for your babies, and not spraying it directly on their hair. I mean, I'm comfortable with doing that because I've dealt with this product so many times, but I would not recommend everybody to do that. So I'm just working it through the hair. We want all the hair to be saturated with the product. That's all we're doing in the beginning. And you guys hear me making that noise because I told y'all this stuff is strong. The scent is strong. So what I did is just sprayed some on the comb because we're going in the front. And I need to make sure that the front hairs are saturated as well. Then we're going to make our way to the back. I haven't even sprayed the back, y'all. we got the back sprayed. Put that down. And we're still just working it through. And this is just me, you know, kind of giving a little bit of a tutorial on how this product works and how to use this product on your Reborn's mohair. That's basically all I'm doing, you guys. And she's just sitting there like a good girl to get her hair combed. And this one patch in the back is still a little bit dry. We want it all saturated, y'all, all of it. So spray a little bit more right there. Work it through. There we go. So now I can see, because of using this product, I now can see her curl pattern. I can see it a little bit better. So I'm setting her hair the way that I want to do it. So now that we have that done, I have a toothbrush, my favorite thing to use, and I'm gonna go in and, before we even mess with the actual hair, I'm going in to get the baby hairs. And y'all, I'm a perfectionist when it comes to my babies and their hair, so I'm gonna try not to fuss too much. I'll probably end up putting y'all on, like pausing y'all so I could fix it the way that I want it fully. But yeah, I'm coming in and doing the baby hairs first, so we can make sure that we get those out the way. And she has the blonde in the front. I love the way she was rooted. I love the blendness of the colors. It's just beautiful. It's really beautiful. So we're just going in. And when it comes down, you're gonna bring it up, bring it up, bring it up. That's how you create those curls, by lifting that hair. Yes, the blonde on the inside, like I just love, she just has like the perfect biracial baby hair, if that makes sense. And I hope that don't sound bad either, but yeah, I just love the way that she was rooted. The colors are perfect, and the way that they go together, it's just like, yes. So the back, we're doing the same thing. You're just pushing it all down, y'all. And then what you're going to do is you're going to come up to the top and bring it all up. That's how we create those curls. That's exactly how we create those curls. And I'm going to let this dry. And once it dries, I'm going to come back and show y'all what it looks like dry, because it looks totally different dry than it does wet. Okay, Mama's still not satisfied with your baby hair, so we're gonna spray some more product on the brush. I want these things to be laying down. Like I said, I'm very particular about my baby's hair. Very, extremely particular. You see how that goes this way? So we're going to brush it this way, but also we're going to brush it up so we can make that, and I don't want it to be too far down on her forehead, so you always come up some. There we go. And this, we're just brushing it up, See, that's how we create those curls. And she might get a little bit on her face. You just damp it off. It won't leave no shininess. It looks shiny right now, but it'll go away once it dries. Trust me, you guys. Like I said, I've been using this for years, and it has worked miracles on my baby's hair, and that's why I continue to keep using it. So we got all the curls the way that we want them. Maybe just define these ones just a little bit more, just a little bit. You go in, you give them a little sweep. There we go. And what we're gonna do is let this dry. So once this dries, you guys, we're gonna be back and y'all will see the results of her hair. So let me take you guys off the tripod really quick so I can show you what it looks like wet completely. Or maybe I could just, let's do the top first. So you guys see it, it's wet. That's the top of her hair. Okay, and then this is her hair. So this is it wet. This is how it looks wet, you guys. Look at her. Oh, so cute. It's already drying though. You can tell it's drying already. It doesn't take very long to dry. But this is the hair wet. So we will be back once it dries. She looks so cute already, you guys. I love it. Okay, so now I wanted to show you guys. Her hair is completely dry now. So you can see her curls and how all of it, this is dry, you guys. It looks still kind of that wet look, which I like. But no, it's completely dry. And I'm sorry, we are losing light. So I'm trying to stay out of the frame as good as I can so you guys can see her hair. Look at her. Look at her. She looks so adorable. So yes, I am loving this on her hair. Like I said, I had a baby in the past that had the same kind of hair as her. So it all worked out and she looks adorable. You guys, she still has on the outfit that you've seen in her last video. I did recently purchase this for her. Let me see if I can show you guys that. And what that is, it's we got it off of Amazon. I was going to say eBay, Lord. Amazon. It is a from this company called Amber Touch. It did come with a let's see, a certificate of authenticity, and it just says this is to certify that this item has been made from natural Baltic amber and it was made in this country. So basically what it is, you guys, is it's a Baltic amber necklace. It is a fossil of resin, and it is used for babies to teeth on. And you don't have to worry about them snagging it or breaking it off because it screws in the back, and I can't really show you guys because she has it on, but I thought it was super cute, and it goes with the little boho thing that I'm trying to do as far as her theme. So I probably will put a headband on her, you guys. Probably not that big old head wrap. I just really put that on because her hair wasn't done. But we'll probably put on a little bow. Let me see if I can find one real quick so we can see how it looks. So there she goes, guys, with the bow in. I think it looks so cute. So adorable, mamas. Yes. Okay, so that was my review of that product, you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. And we are finna get off of here and enjoy the rest of our day. Right? Right. All right, y'all. Peace and blessings.